Welcome to English Planet. Today we're exploring the world of spices, those magical ingredients that add flavour, colour and aroma to our food. Let's discover how each spice transforms a dish. 1. Cinnamon, flavour, sweet and warm. Uses desserts, oatmeal and spiced beverages. 2. Clove, flavour, strong, aromatic and slightly sweet. Uses baked goods, spiced meats and mulled drinks. 3. Cumin, flavour, earthy and nutty. Uses curries, chili and Middle Eastern dishes. 4. Coriander seeds, flavour, citrusy and sweet. Uses spice blends, pickles and baked goods. 5. Turmeric, flavour, bitter and warm. Uses curries, rice dishes and health drinks. 6. Ginger, flavour, spicy and tangy. Uses stir-fries, teas and baked goods. 7. Paprika, flavour, mild to smoky. Uses soups, stews and as a seasoning for meats. 8. Nutmeg, flavour, sweet and nutty. Uses baked goods, custards and savoury dishes. 9. Cardamom, flavour, strong and aromatic. Uses chai, dessert and savoury dishes. 10. Black pepper, flavour, sharp and pungent. Uses almost all savoury dishes for seasoning. 11. Fenugreek seeds, flavour, slightly bitter and sweet. Uses curries, spice blends and pickles. 12. Oregano, flavour, strong and herbaceous. Uses pizza, pasta sauces and Mediterranean dishes. 13. Thyme, flavour, earthy and minty. Uses soups, stews and roasted meats. 14. Basil, flavour, sweet and peppery. Uses pesto, salads and Italian dishes. 15. Rosemary, flavour, pine-like and robust. Uses roasted meats, bread and Mediterranean dishes. 16. Sage, flavour, strong and earthy. Uses stuffing, sausages and rich dishes. 17. Chili powder, flavour, spicy and pungent. Uses spicy dishes, chili and seasoning. 18. Allspice, flavour, a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg and clove. Uses jerk seasoning, baked goods and sauces. 19. Bay leaf, flavour, slightly bitter and aromatic. Uses soups, stews and sauces. Remove before serving. 20. Vanilla, flavour, sweet and creamy. Uses desserts, baking and beverages. That's a quick look at some popular spices. Try them out in your cooking to elevate your meals. Like, share and subscribe to English Planet for more tips and lessons.